Adding dynamic elements and call to actions to your courses is the best way to convert a learner into a customer, getting them to upgrade their services and keeping them interested. And what better way to do it than funnels? Let's learn how to use existing funnels as a seamless conversion tool for your courses. Head to the Product Courses tab inside the Membership section and select the course you want to edit. Click plus Add Content, then select Add Funnel Page. Enter a title, select the funnel and the specific page you want to add, then click Add Funnel. Once added, you can click the pencil icon to edit the funnel page and its details, or switch the status to Published and make it accessible to learners. Funnels render seamlessly within the course player, ensuring smooth interaction, simplifying your course creation with existing funnels, and increasing your conversions. The funnels behave just like any other content type, helping you bridge the gap between learning and action, and making it easier than ever to educate, engage, and convert users within a single, seamless experience. We hope you enjoy it.